Hello friends, welcome to Unreal Blueprints video tutorials series. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss operators in Unreal Blueprints. What are operators? Operators are nodes which perform an operation on the given operand or operands. On successful operation, they yield a result. What are operators? Operators are nodes which perform an operation on the given operand or operands. On successful operation, they yield a result. For example, this node indicates add operator. It performs addition of two operands. Here 2 and 3 are operands. And it returns the sum of two operands. 2 plus 3, 5 it returns as a result, guys. The below node indicates multiply operator. It gives product of two operands. 4 into 5 will get 20. So 4 and 5 are operands, guys. So what is the operator? Operator is a node. It performs an operation on the given operand or operands. On successful operation, it returns a result, guys. If I go to level blueprint, I right click here and search for add operator. I select the add operator. You can see we got add operator node. I can convert the input pin to any of the type. I say here convert pin to integer. Here I can give the integer values. I say 2 plus 3. So definitely it gives result 5, which I can display. I say here print string and connect the execution pins, and the return value here, which is an integer, I connect to in string. Definitely we get 5 displayed, guys. I say compile, save, go to level 1. If I click on the play button, you should see 5 displayed. You see we got 5. So that is a add operator. I delete these nodes, right click and search for multiply operator. We got the multiply operator node. I right click the input pin, convert pin to integer, and I give value here 4, I give value here 5. So 4 into 5 we get 20. I connect the data pins here, compile, save, go to level 1. If I click on the play button, you see 20 displayed, guys, right? So if I go back, let's change the values. Instead of 4, I say here 5. So 5 into 5 we get 25. Compile, save, go to level 1 and click on the play button. You see we got 25, guys. So that is about operators in Unreal Blueprints. Let's talk about types of operators. Unreal Engine provides a rich set of operators to perform arithmetic operations, logical operations, comparison operations, etc. etc. We have arithmetic operators like add, subtract, multiply, divide, modulo. We have relational or comparison operators like less than, greater than, equal to, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. We have logical or boolean operators like boolean and, boolean or, boolean XOR, boolean not. We have increment and decrement operators. We have bitwise operators like bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise XOR, bitwise not, etc. etc. In the upcoming video tutorials, we are going to discuss each of these operators in detail, step by step with examples, guys. For this video tutorial, this much is enough, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep designing, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.